luto na ang aking cabbage egg omelette with ketchup. May free na ketchup. And then ito naman yung binili namin. So, tikman na natin kung anong lasa itong aking ginawa. New recipe na gawa ko ngayon. Ayan, mainit-init pa. Ayan o. Bagong luto. Slice tayo ng cabbage, repolyo o kaya gobi. Ang tawag nila dito, gobi. Magluluto na naman ako ngayon ng another new recipe. Pwede pang ulam, side dish. Tapos iluto natin o kaya i-boil. Lagyan ng tubig. And then salt. Lutuin natin ng half cook. Tapos takpan. These are all the ingredients. 2 organic eggs. I separate egg white and egg yolk. But this egg yolk is little bit broken. But it's no problem. And this is cabbage half cook. Strained cabbage. And this is chickpeas flour. You can use also all-purpose flour or cornstarch or corn flour. But I have available chickpeas flour, so I use this one, 3 tablespoons. Half teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt, coriander leaves or parsley, garlics, and onions. Now we have to mix all together here. These all ingredients. And this one, chickpeas flour, black pepper powder, chili powder, and salt. And then now put now this one, strained cabbage, boiled cabbage. Now I have already frying pan here. I put already oil. So we have to mix first this one so that all ingredients will mix all together. Ito na mix ko na masyado. Ito mainit na ang mantika kaya ipiprito na natin ito. If you have more eggs, then you can use 2 or 3 or 4. But I have only available 2 organic eggs. So it's no problem. Now we can put now this one. I have to divide this one into 2 because I have only 2 eggs. Yan. Hinain natin ang apoy. We make hole in center like this, and then we can put now this egg yolk. And then after few minutes we have to change side. I already changed side. Now we have to cook for 1 minute. I already changed side again. So this is already cooked. Now we have to transfer here in plate so we can taste. So ayan, tikman na natin kung masarap. Bismillah, wala barakatin na. Sausaw natin sa ketchup. Masarap. Pwede ito pang ulam sa kanin o kaya chapati. Tama lang yung lasa niya. Ayan, musok pa kasi bagong luto. Kahahain ko lang sa frying pan.